Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I have another canvas from PaintGem for you. Previously you will have seen me unbox their minis. I was very keen to try their larger canvases, and so we have one here that I would like us to take a look at. So similar packaging to before, nice very contained box, everything in here. So we've got our canvas, our kit and our drills, and then as before the little PaintGem information card which gives us all the information that we might need. Put that back in there. So the canvas I chose was primarily for my daughter. This is Back to the Future base, so it's got a lovely 80s vibe about it. Any of you that are into the 80s, computer games, Stranger Things, anything sort of a bit retro should appreciate this. Size wise, the printed area is just over 20 centimetres by just over 30 centimetres. So 20 by 30. I think that's more or less A4. It's a little bit bigger than A4, I think. And we've got how many colours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16 colours, and they are all letter symbols, and it should be super quick to do. There's quite a lot of colour blocked areas, obviously, although we've got this lovely gradient here in the sunset behind, and then going up through the sky. Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this. I know that the quality of their drills was good previously. Hopefully that will continue. Have a little look. So in amongst the bits and bobs that you get your little legend sheet with a picture. You can cut this out, stick it in your diary, put it in your logbook, whatever you like. So yeah, 16 colours, 20 by 30 is what they're calling it. And then what I will do is cut this out, run it through the sticker maker, and then be able to have those as stickers for my pots to save me having to label them manually. Colour wise, we've got everything comes nicely bagged, so you could work straight out of the bags if you wanted to. You've got some great blues, what's that, 939, chunky bag of 310, some white, some reds, and then some fiery oranges and yellows. So you can see where most of the colours are going to be in that sunset area, and then the blue sort of electrical sparks around the outside. Kit wise, you get your kit in a nice little resealable bag. We've got a standard white boat. We've got plastic tweezers, white ones this time. I don't recall if I got white tweezers last time. Maybe I did, can't remember. Then we've got our, what is that? Is that a, might be an 8 or a 7 placer. single placer and purple squishy. And then of course we get the macaroon wax, which is always great. So yeah, I think this is going to be super fun to do. Be a nice opportunity to do something that's kind of snack size for me, but obviously larger than their mini paintings that I've done previously. And certainly a lot of what matters to me when it comes to doing square diamond paintings is the quality of the drills, and these all look perfect. They look really, really good. Certainly the ones that I've done already, I've not had any issues with. You can see there is, in that packet, we've got a couple of bits of trash, but the actual drills themselves look fine. Yeah, nothing bad to say, to be honest. Price wise, this is currently in the sale. They've got 33% off, which knocks it down from $29.90 to $19.90. And obviously, you know, comes with everything you would need. So really, there is nothing to stop you going and enjoying their selection. They do have other large canvases, or large by their standard canvases, larger than the minis. Minis really are what PaintGem are kind of known for doing. So I will put a link to my unboxing of the minis as well, so that you can check them out. Let me know down in the comments if you have purchased from PaintGem before and what your opinions were. Have you seen Back to the Future? Are you a fan? I grew up in the 80s and so was very much a fan. So I'm going to leave this here. Please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.